What's going on? What are your guys' names?
I'm Lauren, Kiki, Lulu, and Kiki. Yeah.
Nice to meet y'all. Nice to meet y'all. So, how'd y'all hear about Metaverse?
Mr. Exponent. He's our bestie, Mr. Exponent.
Just tell him your name, friend.
Oh. I'm Jake. They call me Crutches. I've been around R1 for a minute, and it's really good to see them doing their thing up at the Fillmore now, bro. If I'm gonna say one thing about being around for a minute in Philly,
what's that?
It's that my man's right here is about to take the fuck over. Him and the whole squad.
Let's go.
Euphoria, great to meet you. Great to meet you. How'd you hear about Metaverse?
I know Cooley and Teth from a lot of shit they do. I go to a lot of R1 stuff, so yeah. When I heard about this, like, I was down.
Yeah, no, it's sick. They're great people. They're great people. So what are you dressed as?
I am Cheer Bear of the Care Bears.
Facts, it's a great bear. Is that your favorite bear of the Care Bears?
Yeah, but mostly because like Cheer Bear is pink and I love pink.
I'm Dave Amigo, sexy light-skinned Jesus. You already know.
How'd y'all hear about Metaverse?
Well, you know, when you're tapped in with the community, you've been seeing this event for being promoted for like a few weeks now, so.
Yeah, I'm part of it. Yeah, Tef and Cooley's my mans. Yeah.
What y'all dressed as?
I'm Ariel, aka the Little Mermaid, but on land.
Nice.
Man, I ain't nobody. I couldn't find no fit, bro. I'm sad. I was gonna come as Kuwabara. I'm just Dave tonight. Hi, Mom.
Where y'all most?
Hi, Dad.
Where y'all most excited for?
Probably Tef.
Yeah, probably Tef. Tef said, yeah.
Sunflower by Tethra. That song go hard.
It's a classic. Are y'all investing in cryptocurrencies?
No, but I ate oranges this morning.
Listen, I was on the Dogecoin wave before y'all blew that shit up, and I paid my first month rent apartment from Dogecoin. So
Hey, you heard it here first.
Meme that, like, I made money.
Yeah, $20 got me a long way with Doge. I ain't gonna hold you.